Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change language on Steam PC. To start, you will open the Steam app. After that, click on the Steam menu and click on Settings. You're going to go to the Interface section. Here in the Steam Client Language field, you will choose the new language to use. When you do, you must click Restart Now. You are going to wait for Steam to be restarted. As you see, now its language has been modified. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.